This is amazing. Place with thousand wonderful things. Place with the heart relation that you can feel. Have you ever felt how the strong culture from the land? About history. And feel like you're part of the job. Feel the sound of the wave. Smell the sound of coffee. See one of the biggest culture of Indonesia. And the adventure. On the wonderful air until underwater. I call this is paradise of the world. We call this is the lake of Aceh.
What is in Aceh? Many people visited Aceh and continue to grow every year. Many visitors came to see the natural beauty of Aceh, but have they thought about the sadness of Aceh with the trash they left behind? Aceh, tanahku sayang.
Assalamualaikum Ibu.
Waalaikumsalam, selamat datang tamu.
Ya Bu, kami ingin mewawancara Ibu.
Ya, mengenai apa ya?
Apa pendapat Ibu mengenai sampah rumah tangga serta bagaimana penanggulangan yang dilakukan oleh pemerintah terhadap sampah tersebut?
Oh, selama ini baguslah ya. Jadi sampah ibu rumah tangga dikumpul dalam satu hari sudah diambil sama petugas sampah. Oleh itu diolah entah kemana nggak tahu kami. Pokoknya kami sudah membersihkan dari rumah tangga masing-masing, menumpukan sampah di keranjang di depan pintu halaman.
Baik Ibu, terima kasih atas pendapat Ibu mengenai sampah.
Sampah rumah tangga yang menumpuk selama bertahun-tahun.
Trash is one of the things that is very difficult to eradicate. Therefore, the community needs to take an appropriate role in this matter, especially in the sea area. Because rubbish that is on the edge of the beach and carried by the waves can damage the marine ecosystem. Therefore, people need to take part in this. Because the same is true if we do the same countermeasures but go back to the habit of littering.
Earth is not just a platform for humans to live. It's a living being. We're not on it, but part of it. Its health is our health.
Pembuangan sampah viral.
Kita ke informasi berikutnya, ribuan ton sampah
dibuang secara langsung. Dapat terjadi perkembangan biakan hewan seperti tikus, kecoa, lalat, dan serangga lainnya. Dapat menyebar dengan cepat. Yang bisa menimbulkan virus dan bakteri yang berasal dari sampah. Serta pengelolaan yang tidak tepat dapat bersatu dengan air sehingga menimbulkan penyakit seperti diare, tipus, kolera, dan juga jamur kulit yang disebabkan oleh kita yang memakan makanan sampah tersebut dan kemudian ditularkan ke manusia dan masyarakat lainnya.
Let's open our minds together. Whether with natural condition like this, which will become a legacy for our children and grandchildren later? Of course not. Because of that, we need to change.
Let's make changes, starting from the little things that are around. Imagine what would happen when 7.7 billion people on our planet live. action would make a big change.
Let's make a change on our region. Because with our hands, it's possible to rise another Aceh. The earth is on crisis.